Hey, what's up? Welcome to today's video. I'm a little bit late to this party, this Kaleidos the Escape Pod collection party. I ordered this collection like around when it first launched, and I honestly kind of forgot about it because it took so long to get here. I mean, it came straight from Korea? I don't know where. Somewhere in Asia. I don't know. I'm not cultured enough to recognize these words. I don't know what language this is. Okay, something about Shanghai on here. Cruelty-free and vegan. Okay, so maybe it's from China. I'm so sorry for my ignorance. I'm gonna publicly apologize to the brand Kaleidos. I have no idea where it came from. But so when I finally got it, I was thrilled, and obviously it's so cute. Oh my gosh, we're gonna get into all of it. We're gonna do a look, we're gonna do swatches, we're gonna do I have 4 products from them that we're gonna test out today, with the main event being the Escape Pod Eyeshadow Palette. Spoiler alert, she's sickening. So if you're new around here, welcome. Thanks for stopping by. My name's Haley. I would appreciate it if you would consider subscribing for my channel before you go. Also give the video a thumbs up if you like the video. It helps me out a lot. Thanks so much. All right, let's get into it. Hello, my pretties. Is this not the cutest? All of the products I got came in this box. Let's see what's inside. Interesting. Okay, I got a blush and a highlighter and a liquid lipstick. We'll get to those, but I want to start with the Escape Pod palette. This packaging is just freaking everything. Isn't it so cute? I just love the colors and the design, and it feels really nice, and this palette's pretty heavy. So cute! Isn't that pretty? This is a pretty big, thick palette, but it feels really nice, and I just think that this is so pretty. I love the colors. Here is the inside of the palette. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty, and it like has a little, it's just, oh my gosh, it's so cute. Let's swatch them. Okay, I don't really know how to say this one. It's spelled S-O-I-R-E-E, Soiree, I don't know. Just a little light purple cuteness. This one's called Mardi Gras. This one's called Flamingo. And this one's called Tango. This one's called Exoplanet. This one's called Starlight Sonata. Ooh. This one's called Amaretto. And this one's called Space Oasis. Ooh, that's really pretty. Oh my gosh. This one's called Cosmic Cabaret. Oh, excuse me, ma'am. This one's called Galactic Gala. Oh, jeez Louise. This one's called Saturnalia. Oh, wow. Those two look very similar, don't they? Oh my goodness, they're shimmery though, aren't they? This one's called Bossa Nova. It's just kind of like a taupe. Then we have Lo-Fi. This one might not show up on my skin. It like is my skin tone. This one's called Carnival. And this one's called Terrace. Nice. Woo, those shimmers though, girl. I am gagged. I really love this one especially. Isn't that really pretty? Okay. I kind of had an idea of what I wanted to do before I swatched them, but now I'm like, let's bust out the tape. I'm gonna start with the shade Mardi Gras, the kind of deeper purple there. By the way, I am back to using concealer as my primer. I was using the Urban Decay primer potion for a little while, and I don't know, it just wasn't my vibe. I switched back to concealer. I don't know if I'll keep using it or try something else, but give me your eye primer recommendations in the comments. I'm nervous. I feel like I do this every single time I do an eyeshadow look, but I'm nervous about what I'm gonna try next. These colorful palettes always get me messed up though, because I just probably should do something not over the top, but whenever there's a bunch of colors like this, I'm always like, oh, let me just use every single mismatching color. All right, well, I don't know. I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna take some of this shade Tango, this bright orange shade, just a little bit. And I'm gonna go around the outskirts of the purple that I just laid down. What is feeling, honestly? Probably can't even really tell. Luckily this shade, this purpley shade Mardi Gras is like pink toned enough that it looks okay with the orange. Okay. So far, I am really enjoying these shadows. They're doing exactly what I want them to do. They're pigmented, but not overly pigmented to the point where they're a little bit difficult to work with. Does that make sense? Now, I'm gonna go into the bright pink matte called Flamingo. I'm also pretty surprised by how not messy they are in the pan, so that's kind of cool. Cool. Now, I'm gonna take this green shimmer. Should I do the green? Yeah, I'm gonna do the green shimmer, the Galactic Gala. Now I'm gonna take that first purple shade and blend. I wanna like soften up my inner corner. I'm not really digging the like hot pink halo look. So, I guess I'm gonna try this one Amaretto. Okay, well that didn't quite work how I wanted it to. I'm gonna actually try the Starlight Sonata, the lighter toned shimmer. Okay, that's a little better. The look didn't turn out quite how I had envisioned it, but that's more my fault than anything. The shadows are working well. I just always have these like grand ideas of using all these colors and then wishing that I had kind of stuck with a one color story instead of green and orange and pink and purple. Let me go get everything else on. Okay, so here I am. Everything is looking pretty dang pink. Let me, bad at this part, but so that you can get an idea of the final look, I just took that purpley shade here and the orange here, blended everything out, and here we are. So let me know what you think of the look. I didn't mean for it to get so pink. The shimmer shades are pretty glittery. I've got glitter like kind of all around my face now, but I do think that those shimmer shades are like really, really stunning. I mean, the palette itself is just so pretty. I love it. And the shadows worked really nice. They were pigmented, but not so pigmented that you couldn't start light and build the shadow up. So they're buildable and they're blendable, which is really, you know, what else can I ask for from some eyeshadow? So let's get into the rest of the products that I have here. I'm gonna start with my lip product because my eyes are so like, dramatic, and then my lips are, there's nothing happening down here. So this is the lip product, and isn't this like such a funny little packaging deal that it comes in? So it like opens like that. and that's all that was in it. Now I have tried this already. When I first got everything in the mail, I like pulled it all out and I ended up swatching this and trying this. It's an interesting formula. It's a very liquidy formula, and let's see if I can swatch it for you. And you can see that it's not like totally opaque. It's interesting. It's interesting. I did try it on whenever I first got all this stuff, but I feel like I took it off, or I don't really remember. I just remember thinking the formula was kind of interesting. It's very interesting. I'm like not sure what to make of it. The consistency is odd. It's, I don't know. I don't dislike it. I'm gonna put a little bit more on and see if it like layers. You know what it reminds me of? It kind of reminds me of the ColourPop like Ultra Blotted formula, but like a little bit better than the ColourPop Ultra Blotted formula. Okay, interesting, interesting, interesting. Let's move on. So I did also get this is the Lo-Fi Duo Blusher. So cute. So again, it's very like thick and hefty, feels nice. This doesn't look, not a shade of blush that I normally would get. I want to swatch them. And then this the top one looks like a highlighter, perhaps. Ooh, that's pretty. Then that's the blush. We'll try it. We'll see if it even shows up on my skin. It's so pale. Ooh, it's a little messy. It's very powdery. Oh my goodness. Okay, yeah, it's showing up. It's pale, but she's there. Okay, that's actually pretty cute. I mean, I really didn't expect it to look like much of anything based on the way it looks in the pan, but that's pretty cute. That's pretty cute. Now, I'll try the highlighter in here real quick, but I have another highlighter from them. But I do want to try this just real quickly. This is also very powdery. Cute. Okay. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Not amazing, but I like the color. Okay, but I also got this Kaleidos Moon Crusher Space Age Highlighter. Also, really nifty little packaging. I love this. Let me swatch it. Oh my gosh. Oh, snap. That's really pretty. Ooh. 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 Now, this one's also a little powdery. Oh my Lanta. Oh my goodness. Whoa. I like it. Very fun. I love highlighters. They're just so fun. I'm gonna put a gloss over this lip. So now that it's dry, it's maybe just a touch sticky. Transfers a little bit. I don't know if this will look good with this, but cute. I just put on some of this Hard Candy plumping serum, plumping volumizing lip gloss serum, whatever. Okay, and there is the final look. Thumbnail time. Would you click on my video if that was my thumbnail? So, all in all, I think that the palette is a major win. I love this palette. The shimmers, particularly in it, are stunning. Yes, God, mama, house down, boots. Yes, God. Or whatever. The blush duo highlighter thing is really nice. I really, really like this highlighter in particular, the Moon Cruiser highlighter in Space Age. And this lipstick, not my favorite. If I'm gonna do like a matte liquid lipstick, I kind of want it to be a little bit more opaque than this one is. I like the color of it. The formula is just not really my vibe personally, but the thing that it came in was so fun. Yeah, I mean, the packaging just like all the way around on this collection was so fun, so cute. I'm living for it. I love it. So let me know what you guys think. As always, love to hear from you. And I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.